Audio Jungle.
Intro, hello, speak English with fun, and in today's video, we are going to talk about English for beginners. I will tell you my top tips to help you learn English. Learn common words first, so let's get started. My first tip, learn common words first, so learn the popular English words. For example, there are 50 verbs or action words that are very common in English. Here is the 50 most common verbs in English. I recommend you learn these verbs first. So, let's go through this list. Think, what verbs do I know? What verbs are new? Learn the new verbs. Okay? So, the top 50 most common verbs in English. Number 1, well, so, alphabetical. These are alphabetical. There is ask, be, become, begin, call, can, come, could, do, feel, find, get, give, go. Have this one is very important here. Help, keep, know, leave, let. Like bang again, this is also very important. Live, look, make, may, mean, might, move, need, play, put, run, say, see, seem, should, show, start, take, talk. Tell, think, try, turn, use, want. Very important one, will, work, and would. So, what should you learn first? I recommend learn verbs, learn action words. These are the most common action words in English. Most English sentences have one of these verbs. They are the most common words or verbs in English. So, that's my first tip. Learn these words, okay? You don't need perfect grammar. So, tip number 2, you don't need perfect grammar, okay? You can make mistakes, it's okay. Communication is more than grammar. Sometimes people make mistakes, and we can still understand them, so you don't need perfect grammar. My third tip, in English, there are 12 different verb tenses in English. So, there are about 12 different verb tenses in English. Many students find it difficult to learn the 12 verb tenses. When you start learning English at the beginning, the 3 most important tenses are the simple present, the simple past, and the simple future. These 3 verb tenses are the tenses you should learn first, okay? So learn 1, 2, 3. The first 3 tenses you should learn. Here is the simple present. On Mondays I work. The verb work is in the simple present tense. So work is the verb and it is in the simple present tense. So right now on Mondays I work. The second verb tense you should learn is the simple past. The past is before. Yesterday is the past. Last month is the past. 2000 is the past. So before is the past. In English, it's important to be able to talk about the past. We use the simple past tense for this. Here is an example. Yesterday I worked. So, the verb is the same. This verb is in the simple present. This verb is in the simple past. It has 8. So, those are the first 2 tenses to learn. The third verb tense to learn is the future. Tomorrow is the future. In 50 years is the future. Next year is the future. It's important to be able to talk about the future in English. So, here is an example of the simple future. Tomorrow I will work. When we talk about the future, we can use the verb will, I will work. So the first 3 grammar tenses to learn. The first 3 verb tenses, the simple present check, the simple past check, simple future check, and then you can learn the other verb tenses in English. So, first, these 3, then the other 9 tenses. Tip number 4, when you start learning English, it's difficult to listen. My recommendation is listen for a short amount of time. So, listen for a small amount of time, not a long amount of time. So, a small amount of listening is good. Small. Movies in English are about 2 hours. If you watch a movie in English, this is not small, this is long. It's difficult to listen to a movie in English for 2 hours. I recommend, don't do this. I recommend short listening for maybe 10 seconds of English to 1 minute of English. This is better for you to learn how to listen in English. Let me tell you some more tips on how you can learn English as a beginner. My top tips. Here is tip number 5. Start with English that is important for your life. The English for your life might be different than the English for my life. So, for example, think about your family. What family words do you need? Do you need words for children? Maybe for mother, father, sister, brother. Think about your family and learn words about family that are meaningful to you. Think about work. What words are important for your work? Learn these words first. Think about your life every day. What do you do? Every day. Do you brush your teeth? Probably. Do you clean your house? Do you watch TV? Think about your life and learn the vocabulary or the words for your own life for the routines you do. Weather words are very common words. It's good to learn weather words as well. In English, we talk about the weather a lot. I recommend learning weather words like it's cold, it's hot. These are very important words, so learn the English that is meaningful, okay? My last tip, number 6, is practice. Practice English. A little practice every day is important. 10 minutes of English every day will help you a lot in your learning. So, practice makes perfect. Review new words often. If you learn a family word on Monday, review or study it again on Tuesday. Study it again on Wednesday. To remember a word, you need to see the word many times, so review many times. Test yourself. This is a good way to help you learn new words. When you learn a new word, wait a minute and then think to your life, what is the word I just learned? Test yourself, and that will help you to remember new words. Finally, visit www.engvid.com. You can practice your English on this website. You can learn about vocabulary, you can learn about grammar, about listening, about pronunciation, about writing or reading. There are many things you can learn about English on this website. Thank you so much for watching. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more English. Again, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.